Maraming salamat sa nag-ibigay sa aking karawan. Thank you guys, thank you.
Jay, happy birthday. Don't forget to be J-A-Y, joyful. Be joyful to your family, be joyful to your friends, and be joyful to your subscriber. A, be active. Be active in posting on your YouTube channel. Be active in your family life. Be active in your office work. Make your life an active one. Huwag kang papatay-patay. Lastly, yes. Do not forget to say yes to the Lord. Be obedient to the Lord because the Lord will never stop to bless you. J, be joyful, be active, and never forget to say yes. Happy 40th birthday, classmate.
Happy birthday, bro. I hope you enjoy your day and may the good Lord bless you and your family and continue to vlog. And thank you for being good and happy birthday from Tess Home. Thank you and be good and enjoy.
Hi, hello there everyone. This is Isabel the star of Team Torture Collaboration. I'm here to greet our dearest member for a year already. Sir Jay Napon, happy birthday. We wish you all the best and I hope na you got everything what you wanted on your birthday. Stay cool, stay happy, and be at your best. So, ayan. So, happy birthday. And, good health lagi. And, thank you for staying here in Team Torture. You're one of, sobrang bait na member namin dito sa Team Torture. So, yeah. Enjoy your day. Mwah!
Hello everyone! Nandito naman ako para bumati at batiin ko ng happy birthday ang isa sa mga anakis ko sa YT World. Walang iba kundi ang aming member ng aming Team Torture, G Naponi or Napon kung sa English pa. Ayan, nung G, sana masaya ka sa iyong pag-celebrate sa iyong kaarawan ngayon. Happy birthday. May happy na, may birthday pa. Ayan, sana masaya ka. At wish ko lang sa iyo na sana nasa palaging good health at sana rin mag-grow pa ang iyong YouTube channel. More revenues to come and more subscriber to come. Ayan. So, hindi ko na rin hahabaan ng aking greetings kasi alam ko maraming video nakapila dyan. Kaya, once again, happy birthday at sana masaya ka mag-celebrate sa iyong karawan kasama ang mahal mong pamilya, asawa at mga anak. So, Dong Gina Pon, once again, ulit si Nanay, happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye. I love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday po sa inyo, Sir Jay Napon. Ayan, maraming salamat at naging part ako dito sa iyong kaarawan ngayon. So, thank you din sa tiwalang binigay mo sa Team Torture family natin. So, maraming salamat din at kahit paano nakatulong kami sa iyong channel. Ayan, and naway maging masayang yung kaarawan ngayon at kasamang yung buong pamilya. I wish you all the luck and happiness. Ayan, more power sa channel mo and enjoy lang lagi sa pagwa-YT and enjoy your day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Ayan, yes, hello, mega love shoutout po sa inyo lahat. This is JR Flores. Ayan, napadaan lang ako para batiin ang ating nag-celebrate ng kanyang birthday for today na nadadaan, Jay Napon. Ayan, happy birthday to you, Jay, and then wishing you always good health and of course, more years to come. and more cakes to slice, and more tagay pa more. Ayan, mega love shout out po sa inyong lahat, sa mga milig magtagay dyan, mga tigdang. Ayan, once again, God bless you always, at sana mag-enjoy ka sa iyong karawan. And of course, thank you also, at ako ay napili mo para maging isang part ng iyong celebration for today. Ayan, so once again, God bless you always, and happy birthday. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone! I'm Shane Unique Recipes. So, andito ako ngayon guys, dahil may gusto akong batiin. Isa po siya sa member ng ating Team Torture. Napaka-supportive na member ng Team Torture. Dahil birthday po niya ngayon, so babatiin ko siya ng happy 40th birthday, Sir Jane Napuni. Yun po YouTube channel niya guys. Jane Napuni. I think he changed already, Jane Naps. So yan po yung YouTube channel niya guys. Happy birthday sa iyo, sir. Wish ko is more birthdays to come. And syempre, good health always. Keep safe. Ayan. And wish ko din, marami pang blessings na dumating sa channel mo and sa family mo. Ayan. Once again, happy birthday!
And good morning guys. Magapay mata ko. Gusto ko lang bumati ng happy birthday kay Kuya Jay Naponi. Ayan. Isa ako sa nahingan niya ng greetings, and it's a great pleasure na it's an honor na mabigyan ng opportunity na mag-greet sa kanya. Ayan. Kuya Jay Naponi, happy birthday, and more birthdays to come, more cake to slice, more candles to blow, and more wishes to be granted. And medyo masama yung lagay natin. Kaya ganito po yung tsura ko. Ano po. Happy birthday, and ingat po lagi. Salamat sa support parati. Thank you.
Hello Jay, happy birthday sa'yo. God bless. At God bless your family. Enjoy your special day. At yun, maraming salamat dahil na-invite ako sa pagbati sa iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, old man. Just, joke lang. Happy birthday, sir, / Kuya Jay. You've been a blessing to everyone around you. So, continue mo lang yun as you age. I wish you good health. And enjoy your day. Happy birthday!
Hello, Jay! I'd like to greet you. Happy 40th birthday. I wish you all the best and more abundant blessings in this world. We love you from your Ninong Manny and me. Mwah!
Hey bro Jay, happy birthday. I hope you are well today, no? I just wish and pray for more success in life, especially family life, no? Mas strengthen your family life. And of course, healthy lang. And regards lang ko sa akong inaanak, dako utang, no? But of course, I'm also happy na you are doing vlogging these days. And I hope maging successful ka diyan, no? I just wish for more endeavors in the future, and as well as yun, good health to your family. God bless.
Oh, yun! Happy birthday nga pala dyan kay Brother Jay Napone. Happy 40th birthday. God bless you more. Stay safe palagi, and may all your dreams come true. Again, happy birthday. Stay safe. Cheers!
Hi, hello Brother G. Happy birthday sa iyo. Nagpapasalamat po kaming mag-asawa na sa aming household kayo napunta. Enjoy your special day. More blessing and more birthdays to come. God bless you and your family always.
Hello classmate. Advance happy 40th birthday. 40 ka na pala. At ako mag-45 this June. And my wish is, of course, lagi naman natin hinihiling na marami pang birthdays na